want you to think of an important incident of your life, maybe. So what happened that day? I want you to think about that. Okay.
Okay.
So it feels like a sense of achievement. कि कुछ तो हासिल हुआ है उस दिन, ऐसा कुछ feeling आ रहा है. Could be like an award or could be, I mean not your birthday. I'm assuming क्योंकि वो बहुत obvious हो जाएगा. I'm assuming a release date, like a movie release हुई थी उस दिन.
Yeah.
Okay. I am going to write it down.
Yeah.
First, let's go with the date. कितने expression?
It's not me.
It's a 2-digit number. It's not a single date.
Yeah.
Single digit. Think of the year. No, it should be this. On a count of 3, okay, you guys can see it. I'm going to show it to you. It's a जोर से ताली बजाना if it comes out right, okay? On a count of 3, can you say it out loud? 1, 2, 3.
30th June 2000. Listen,
I didn't see
I don't know what she's doing. I don't know ये क्या है, huh? I'm saying this is not normal. But it is actually like it's like an art.
It is.
It is like an
It
art.
is an art.
You have to just
थिंक कि कुछ लोग ऐसे फर्रे बांट रहे हैं और उसमें से एक फर्रा आपको मिल गया है.
जी.
अपने मन में सोचे कि उसके ऊपर क्या है.
सोच लिया.
तो मेरे पास आपके लिए कुछ है. द पेंटिंग ब्रश. इमेजिन करिए कि फर्रे पे जो भी है वो आप कैनवस पे पेंट कर रहे हैं.
इमेजिन कर लिया कि फर्रे पे जो भी है हम उसको पेंट कर रहे हैं.
थिंक अबाउट इट इन योर माइंड.
I thought about it in
डू
my...
यू माइंड इफ आई टच योर शोल्डर्स?
Of course, touch it.
It's something wavy.
Like leher.
That's not what you're thinking. It's a very weird thing.
It's a very weird thing.
Are you thinking of like a flying carpet? Are you thinking of flying carpet?
Yeah. कैसे किया? Seriously?
And if I also tell you कि ये फर्रा आपको किसने दिया है? Did you tell it to anybody over here?
Nobody.
No. You know what?
Yeah.
You can just say it out loud.
अरे शेरा gave it to me.
And it's no way possible I could have known that.
No chance.
But I gave you a painting brush in your hand.
Yeah.
There's something written on it. शेरा.
कैसे किया ये? इतनी चीजें हुई लाइफ में, ऐसे तो कभी लाइफ में सरप्राइज लाइक नहीं हुआ. I'm dying to know. Everyone wants to know how you did it. Tell it.
I'm not gonna tell it.
No?
Of course.
Yeah, I'm intimidated by it.
Let's start by thinking of who are you playing against. Okay? I want to think of the year as well. You don't remember the year. It's okay. You remember the year. I'm going to write down. Is it any way possible I can know this? Have you said this on the internet anywhere? You told me beforehand. Were you thinking of the 83 World Cup?
World Cup fever, 83 hours.
That's impressive. That's impressive.
And where is this match? Where? Oh my god. Okay. No, think of the place only. Okay, are you thinking of the 83 Manchester West Indies versus India?
She's right. Please.
Can you say it out loud? What was the country you were playing against and where was this?
We played against England in Adelaide, and I wasn't sure it was 2006 or 2007.
What?
When I'm back in Australia and I go to the races for the next time, will you come with me?
We do the commission basis.
Awesome.
That's the deal. Thank you.
Well done.
I'm just controlling my mind ki like you can't read. Just
Why do you
I'm-
not
I'm-
want me to read your mind?
I'm nervous because there's so many dirty thoughts in my mind. So
Why do you have 30 thoughts in your mind, Vijendra?
man will be man.
मेरे को है ना ये आप एक बॉक्सर तो लगते ही हो ऑफ कोर्स बट यू आर लाइक अ सुपरस्टार. हीरो बनना है ना आपको.
Yes, for sure. But I want to become like a Shah Rukh Khan, right?
अगर आप शाहरुख खान बन गए तो आप किस एक्ट्रेस के साथ मूवी में एक्ट करना चाहेंगे?
Okay,
ठीक
I
है?
got it.
You have somebody in your mind?
Yes,
चलो मन में सोचो उनके बारे में.
सोच लिया.
कैसे वो दिखते हैं, उनका कुछ फीचर के बारे में सोचो. तुरंत ही आंखों के बारे में सोचा था.
हाँ जी.
करेक्ट.
हाँ जी.
और उसके बाद आपने बालों के बारे में सोचा.
हाँ, of course. हाँ.
आईज एंड हेयर इज व्हाट यू थॉट.
She's
चलो एक
beautiful.
काम करते हैं. इमेजिन वो यहाँ खड़े हैं, आप उनसे जाके मिलते हो, हेलो और उनका नाम लेते हो मन में.
हाँ.
मन में उनका नाम दोहराते रहिए.
हाँ.
अगेन
मुझे पता हो सकता है ये।
नहीं, मैंने बताया नहीं कि अभी किसी को।
ओके, मन में नाम दोहराते रहिए। अगेन अगेन अगेन। मैं आप दोनों को यूं देखती रहूंगी क्योंकि आप सोच रहे हैं ऐश्वर्या 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 राय बच्चन।
ट्रू। हाँ। नहीं, कैसे? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता ना। बट हाउ यू गेट टू नो? मैंने कभी मीडिया के सामने नहीं बताया, बट आई मेट हर लाइक उसकी जो ब्लू आईज थी एंड शी लुकिंग लाइक दिस एंड लाइक हाउ यू गेट टू नो?